Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. For today's vlog, I'm super excited because I'm going to unbox a bunch of amazing tech. We're going to kick things off by unboxing one of the most hyped smartphones today, as in it is buzzing all over Facebook, YouTube. This is the Poco F2 Pro smartphone, one of the legit flagship killer smartphones that you can pick up today. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to share that experience with you in today's episode. Apart from that, I'm also going to unbox and check out this kick-ass set of headphones from JBL by Harman, which is called the Quantum 600, their newest gaming headset. Super excited, super stoked to unbox that bad boy. And we're also going to check out this, which is my latest purchase from SSENSE and Off-White. SSENSE is like a luxury streetwear website, and they sell a lot of luxury brands at discounted prices, and they ship to the Philippines. So this is actually an Off-White thermos/water bottle. So wow, pati water bottle hype. So anyway, we're going to unbox and check out all three items in today's episode. Are you excited? I am. Let's go. Now, before we get started, let me just remind you we're doing two massive giveaways. We're giving away this, which is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. And we're also giving away the A6 Transformer sneakers. So what do you guys have to do to join? You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to like my Facebook page. You have to join our Facebook community. And then in the description box, there are two links. Two links to two videos. One video is about the giveaway for this. The other link is the giveaway for the sneakers. So watch both videos. All the rest of the mechanics you can find there so you can be part of the draw. I'll be drawing both winners this Saturday. So I'm publishing this video on a Monday, so we roughly have around 6 days before we draw the winners for both raffles. Good luck. Okay, so how we'll do it is we'll start with the Poco F2 Pro, then we'll make our way down to the JBL Quantum 600, and we'll finish things off with the Off-White thermos/water bottle. So that said, let's check this bad boy out. This is the 5G model, but I'm not really sure if this will work in the Philippines, so we'll have to try that out later on. So it's labeled Poco F2 Pro. It also says over here that it has high-res audio. Also states with easy access to the Google apps you use the most. So it's kind of like a dig at a particular brand that doesn't have Google. Kaching, sino kaya yun, di ba? So this is the Cyber Gray model, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So super excited to see what the hype about this phone is all about, because so many people are like raving about it on YouTube and on the Xiaomi Philippines Facebook group. By the way, shout out to everybody from Xiaomi PH, the Facebook community. Happy to be there and happy to meet all of you guys. So we have a packet over here that if we pop open, we have the SIM ejector tool. We have a hard TPU or plastic case that comes with the phone. That's well appreciated, of course. We'll set this aside. And then we get to the main event. This is the Poco F2 Pro smartphone. So you can see the highlights of the device written over here. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with liquid cool technology for gaming. You have the 6.67-inch AMOLED full screen display. This has a pop-up camera, so you get the full screen experience. You have 64 megapixel quad AI camera at the back, and then you have the 4,700 milliampere battery with 30 watts fast charging. Man, take a look at that. So wow, that camera is big. So anyway, so let's try to get this open so we get a better feel for the phone. So as far as first impressions go, I am impressed because they didn't use that annoying fingerprint smudging back that a lot of other devices use. So even if you press your fingers on it, your fingerprints won't be all over the back of the device. Also love the feel of the device. I also love that red accent along the side with just pop. So style-wise, that's nice. That's, you know, something to be appreciated. So what I'll do now is I'll turn it on and we'll play around with it, and I'll get back to you guys with my initial impressions in a bit. But before that, let's take a look at what else is inside the box. Of course, you have the power brick, and then you have the USB to USB-C charger. No headphones inside the box. Okay, so this is what all the fuss is about. So if you press the front-facing camera, What? Sound effects included and LED lights. That's just crazy. And apparently you can customize it. So guys, this is the Pocophone F2 Pro. I've been playing around with it, man. In terms of power, the Snapdragon 865 processor really kicks in, paired with that generous amount of RAM. The display is gorgeous. Already put my favorite theme, which is of course the Mad Titan himself, Thanos. That's one of my favorite characters from Marvel, to those who don't know. And I've been playing around with the camera for the last few minutes. Takes really great shots, especially that funky front-facing camera. I think one of the things that really sets the phone apart is that a lot of devices today, their camera is somewhere on the screen. So it kind of, covers up a certain part of the screen with the camera lens. The great thing about this one, being that it has a pop-up camera, is that you get the full screen to yourself. If you're watching movies, you're playing games, that I think is one of the biggest selling points of the Pocophone F2 Pro. So I'll set this phone aside first and we'll get to the rest of our unboxing. Again, full review will be coming soon. Watch out for that. If you're curious where I was able to pick this one up, I got it from Casey Xiaomi online shop on Facebook. I basically saw it there. I wanted to get an early phone to feature for this channel, so that's what we have today. Okay, so now let's move on over to the JBL Quantum 600 gaming headset. So why is it gaming? Not because it just looks kick-ass and futuristic and techy, but it actually has gaming features and capabilities. It's actually written over here, 2.4 gigahertz low latency wireless JBL Quantum surround sound. So what that means is if there's something that happens inside your game, you immediately hear it. I think for esports and professional gamers, that is like super important, because something that you can hear, like if it gets delayed, that means you getting killed or you surviving or you killing your opponent, right? And apart from that, it also is supposed to have a really nice microphone, which is critical for streaming your games online. So anyway, so if you pop the box open, wow, this is like one of the nicest box I've ever seen for a set of gaming headphones, or even headphones in general. So it really looks kick-ass. And then we have the actual set over here. Okay, so let's pop the box open and get the headset out of the box. This is the headset. You have the microphone over here. This is right, this is left. It's mostly, well, color black with shades of orange, accents of orange, which is our favorite color combination, black and orange. That's why I am loving this particular headset. Now, inside the box, it also comes with two types of cables, braided cables. So they are durable and tough. And what I'll do now is I'll do a quick listen and then I'll get back to you guys with an initial impression. Okay, so as far as sound quality goes, you can definitely feel why it's gaming. Everything from the latency to the surround sound feel. Man, it's really an awesome headset that you guys have to check out. So if you want to pick one up, I'll put the link down below on where you can buy it on Lazada. JBL actually has a shop over there, and you can buy official products with warranty at good prices from JBL on Lazada. So again, the link to this down below. Last but not the least, we get to the weirdest thing that I'm unboxing today, which is the off-white water bottle or water thermos. So why did I buy this? Well, it was on sale. So it's not every day that you find really great off-white items at almost 50% off. So if you guys want to check this particular product out or different kinds of off-white cases, I actually wrote an article on thisishype.ph with links to multiple products from Off-White that are up to 50% sale that you can buy today via SSENSE. Again, SSENSE delivers to the Philippines. Just make sure that you try to buy items under 10,000 pesos. You don't have to pay additional taxes. But anyway, like what I mentioned earlier, this is an Off-White water bottle. So it is your typical water bottle. You have the Off-White branding up there. You have the logo. And then you have this nice Off-White belt or strap that connects to this buckle over here. And there you have it. Nice vault colorway, which you can use to, I don't know, like hang it around your shoulder or when you're bringing your water bottle with you to work. So one of the most hyped water bottles you can ever buy today, the Off-White thermos. This one usually sells for over 15,000 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. I was able to get it for around 6,000 to 7,000. Still pricey. I mean, you can buy water bottles for much, much less. But hey, Off-White, pwede na. And that's actually it for our unboxing. Again, like what I mentioned earlier, I'll do a detailed review of the Pocophone F2 Pro soon, maybe this Saturday. So watch out for the full review when that comes out in a few days from now. Also, let me just remind everybody, we're doing the pre-orders for our Project 721 Limitless Rise Again shirt. To those who don't know, Project 721 is our merch brand for this channel. Project 721 basically means 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. you build your career, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. you build your dreams. That's where you side hustle, that's where you work hard. So if you want to pre-order the shirt, please head on over to 721.co. You get free access to an exclusive webinar that we're holding this Saturday, June 6, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I'll be joined by Mary Bautista, Marvin Guermo. We'll be talking about how you can monetize your digital presence in today's current scenario. Guys, I hope to see you at the webinar. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.